हेलो गाइस। आज हम एक इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे, दैट इज ओशन करंट। ओके, ओशन currents. Now, this is very important topic for prelims purpose as well as mains. In ocean currents, we are classifying the which are the approaches to ask the questions based on ocean current. That approach is, first thing, what is ocean current? First one. Second thing, types of ocean current. Third thing, feature of ocean current. Feature or characteristics of ocean current. And another one, major ocean currents of world we would discuss. Okay. And last topic, that is effect of ocean current. This all topic we discussed today. Okay, this is the simple sa technique hai to remember ocean current topic. Now, first thing, what is ocean current? Okay, ocean currents means it is a river like flow in ocean. Okay, it is a river like flow in ocean that represent a regular volume of water in a definite path and direction. This is called ocean current. Okay, we discussed this definition of ocean current. And another approach is causes of ocean current. Okay, what is the cause for the ocean current? Second is cause of ocean current. Mainly, there are four causes for ocean current. They are, okay, first thing, heating by solar energy. Heating by solar energy. Second thing, wind. Okay. Third thing, gravity or gravitational force. Fourth thing, Coriolis force. Coriolis force. Okay, these are the four causes for formation of ocean current in the ocean. Okay, then this is over. Next, we move towards types. In types of ocean current, okay, in types, there are mainly uh, types. Okay, in types, there are mainly two types. Okay, that is, first thing, surface ocean current. Second thing, deep ocean current. Okay, in surface ocean current, this was seen in up to a depth of 400 meter. Okay, but this volume in total ocean considered, only 10% is surface ocean current, remaining 90% uh, deep ocean current constitutes in ocean. Okay, then according to or on based on temperature, we again classified ocean current into again two types. That is, it is a simple, that is, one is cold ocean current, second one warm ocean current. Okay, in which cold ocean current means the current which flow from polar, okay, one second guys. The current which flow from pole, pole to equator direction. Okay. Hmm. And warm ocean current, equator to pole direction it moves. Now we are discussed what is ocean current and what are the causes for ocean current, and we also finished the types of ocean current. We know that what is Coriolis force. Coriolis force means it is which makes wind to drift or turn towards right in northern hemisphere and left in southern hemisphere. Okay. And by the use of gravity, okay, by the use of gravity, the water which create a gradient variation. Okay. By wind, there is a friction between wind and ocean water. By the heating of solar energy, you already know that evaporation will happen. When evaporation takes place, the water will expand it. Okay. This is the cause of ocean current. Now we move towards the what are the features of ocean current. We only remember the feature. So that feature is current means a drift. Okay. I move towards in this page. 1 second, guys. Sorry for this. Okay, feature. I will write in the here on. In feature, there is no at depth current in depth. As we move down in the ocean, speed of the ocean current will decreases. Okay, but in surface the speed will be more. In depth there is only 0.5 knot the speed of ocean current. In surface it is more than 5 knot, more than 5 knot. Okay, this is the feature of characteristics. Next we are moving in major topic in ocean current, that is major ocean current of the world. This is important for your prelims as well as mains. In prelims they ask as a single uh, mnemonic or in objective type. Okay, it is important. Now we are moving through a map. We will learn the major ocean current of the world. You already know that we already uploaded shots on the where equator is passes on which countries. Okay, there is a trick to remember that. We'll see, we will see that I simply draw a equator. Okay, which passes these all countries. This is equator 0 degree. Hmm. In north side, this is northern hemisphere, this is southern hemisphere. In northern hemisphere, this is a Arctic Ocean, or it is a pole, Arctic pole, this is Antarctica, Antarctic pole. From pole to equator, this is called what? Cold current. From equator to pole, this is called warm current. Okay. Then I used to represent warm current with red color and cold current with blue color. Okay, this will help to remember easily. I think you are already know the ocean's name. This is a Pacific Ocean, this is Atlantic Ocean, and this is also Pacific. And here our parasa lovely our ocean, this is called Indian Ocean. Okay, first we discuss on Pacific Ocean. Which are the major currents are there in Pacific Ocean? That is Northern Pacific Ocean and Southern Pacific Ocean. Okay. First, we discuss the warm ocean current of Pacific Ocean. Okay. First one. This is the equator 0 degree line. Here, there is a current which passes. This is a north equatorial current, okay, which passes this direction. South equatorial current also passes in this direction. There is a counter current to these currents, okay, that is equatorial counter current. Okay, first thing, first one, warm current in Pacific Ocean, that is uh, kuroshio kuroshio warm current. Okay, this is kuroshio warm current. Then only one warm current in here. This become Pacific drift further, and southern there is a East Australian warm current, that is East Australian warm current. Okay, now we are shift towards cold currents. There is here one gap is there, no, between Japan, this Russia. One ocean current comes, that is called Oyashio current, that is Oyashio current. Here the warm and ocean currents are warm and cold ocean currents are meet this place, which is helpful for rich fishing spot. Okay. Because here phytoplanktons are more, so fishes also more. Next, this is Oyashio cold current. Then come to here, because this is also Pacific Ocean, no. Here uh, uh, another cold current is comes, that is California cold current, that is California cold current. One second guys, I'll make it thinner pencil, okay, to write. California cold current. This and this was here in southern Pacific Ocean, that is uh, Peruvian cold current. Okay, that is called Peruvian or Humboldt. Peruvian or Humboldt cold current. Peruvian or Humboldt. This has both name. Peruvian or Humboldt cold current. Here another one warm current will go, that is drift is there, no, which turn here only. This is called Alaska warm current. Here there is a west wind drift is there. Here in southern, west wind drift is moving like this. Okay. I will repeat once the total ocean current of the Pacific Ocean. First thing, this is the north equatorial current. Here this is the Kuroshio warm current. This is East Australian warm current. Now this is the Alaska warm current, and in cold current, that is Oyashio cold current in northern hemisphere, and California cold current in northern Pacific Ocean only. In southern Pacific Ocean, that is Peru and Humboldt. Now we are moved towards Atlantic Ocean now. Okay, first we discuss the warm current. Here there is a north equatorial current which turn here due to what? बोलो ना भाई, वो 4 causes है ना. इसलिए wind will drift here to right side in northern hemisphere, through left side in southern hemisphere. This is the reason which Coriolis force is affecting wind. ये देखो यहाँ पे ये है ना, ये वार्म करंट. This is a warm current is going to here. You know that this is the Gulf Stream, no. This warm current is called Gulf Stream. Okay, here Gulf Stream. That is Florida current also here only. This is a Gulf Stream, which was warm ocean current. This is further move like this. Like this. It will move like this. This is called North Atlantic drift. Drift means what? Current. Hmm. Drift means, yeah, it is a drift. Okay, it is a drift. So it is called as North Atlantic Drift. This is a warm current. You remember this point, okay? I will explain further this point. Hmm. Next thing, uh, we will discuss now cold current of Atlantic Ocean. Gulf Stream that move as a North Atlantic drift and move like this. Okay. Now here one cold current is coming and meets this warm current. This is become what? I explained it. No, here बोलो ना भाई ये क्या है फिशिंग रीजन है ओके this cold current is called that is Labrador, you know that breed Labrador dog name, okay. That is Labrador cold current. Now here also one of the again one cold current will come, that is called East Greenland cold current. East Greenland cold current. Now here also one another cold current will come. Cold current. This cold current is called Canary cold current. Canary cold current. Okay. Now come to southern hemisphere, that is southern Atlantic Ocean. In southern Atlantic Ocean, first thing you know which country it is? Anyone guys? Yes, Brazil. Good. This is the Brazil. ब्राजील पे है एक करंट, वो ब्राजीलियन वार्म करंट. ओके, ब्राजीलियन वार्म करंट. This will move like this. Okay, it is also one round will take, it is drift also form. Okay, now cold current. Cold current is one cold current comes like this. See this, that is called a Falkland cold current, and another cold current this will move like this, that is Banguela cold current. Banguela cold current. Okay, I will repeat once the Atlantic Ocean currents. देखो भाई, now north equatorial current, it will move like this is the Gulf Stream warm current and it called as North Atlantic drift. Okay, now cold current called as Labrador cold current and eastern or East Greenland cold current and Canary cold current in northern Atlantic Ocean. In southern Atlantic Ocean, that is Brazilian warm current and Falkland cold current and Benguela cold current. दिस इज सिंपल सा टेक्निक है याद करने के लिए. थ्रू मैप वी विल लर्न easily and it will impact us more. Okay. Now last thing we learn the Indian Ocean current. We learn only southern Indian Ocean current, not a northern Indian Ocean. Why means in northern hemisphere more land is located now. So here the ocean current are modified as a monsoons. That is south west monsoon and northeast monsoons. So we only discuss about this on South Indian Ocean. First one, that is warm ocean current. Hello guys, please concentrate here. No, first thing, first is Agulhas current. Agulhas warm current. And here what is this island called? बोलो भाई, ये सिंपल है ना. यहाँ पे मालदीव्स है, इसके नीचे क्या है? मडागास्कर है बा. ये मडागास्कर वार्म करेंट. एंड अगेन हियर आवर पैरासा एक अफ्रीकन कंट्री है, इसका नाम क्या है भाई? मोजाम्बिक. दिस इज आल्सो वार्म करंट. देर आर मेनी नेम्स इन Agulhas warm current. Okay, only remember one Agulhas warm current. This is enough. Now it will also move like this drift. Okay. Now cold current is called as Australia's which side is This is called west side, no? So name also suggests that West Australian current. West Australian current. Cold current, that is. West Australian cold. I will repeat once again, guys. इजी से याद कर लो. हम पहले पैसिफिक ओशन पे कंसंट्रेट करेंगे. In northern hemisphere, northern Pacific Ocean, warm current is Kuroshio and cold current is Oyashio, and California cold current, Alaska is the warm current. In southern Pacific Ocean, East Australian is a warm current and Peruvian or Humboldt is a cold current. This is over shift to Atlantic Ocean. In Atlantic Ocean, northern Atlantic Ocean, that is Gulf Stream is a warm current, and this will become North Atlantic drift, which is helpful for clearing the ports in this Scandinavian countries region. Okay. Which is helpful for navigation. And here in cold ocean current, you will remember Labrador is one, and East Greenland cold current and Canary cold current. In southern Atlantic Ocean, that is Brazilian warm current, Falkland cold current, and Benguela cold current. In southern Indian Ocean, that is Agulhas warm current, and another is West Australian cold current. Okay, guys. Now, last topic is we already discussed. Which are the topics we discussed, guys? First one, once again. First one, what is cold? What is ocean current? Already discussed. And causes for formation of ocean current, we discussed. And types of ocean current, where is types, also we discussed. And now, what is the feature or characteristic of the ocean current, we also discussed this thing. Okay. And major ocean current of the world, we discussed now only. Last topic is remaining, that is effect of ocean current. In effect of ocean current, one second, guys. Effect of ocean current. In effect of ocean current, I already told you that warm current which helps to free the snow which is covered in Scandinavian country ports, which helpful for navigation of the ship or boat, anything you call. And then warm ocean current, here I will discuss here. You notice here, guys, this is the reason. What is this reason, guys? This is the reason where our Sahara desert is located. No, okay, here all are in this is desert region. Why it become desert? Because only a simple trick. Remember this cold current. Where cold current is passes, there is no rainfall occur. So here the desert will form. Here effect is warm ocean current is helpful for rainfall. Okay, warm ocean current bring rainfall, but cold ocean current which affect as a or which cause to form a deserts. And then another effect, that is here you notice here only, where the place where warm ocean current and the cold ocean current meets, no, that is the place which is rich fishing ground, west fishing ground. This is the effect of ocean current. This is what we discussed today, guys. This is helpful. I think this will be helpful for every serious aspirant. इसी तरह every day we will discuss single topic of UPSC syllabus. And remember, guys, I will take one class on discussing about the syllabus of the UPSC, that is prelims perspective as well as mains perspective. Syllabus is very important, guys. Okay. Tomorrow we will see that video. Now I think this is enough, guys. This will be very effective, I think. Ocean current topic is only read like this. only. Then it will remember easily for long days. Okay guys, I will complete this now. We will meet again. Okay, thank you guys.